Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of AI to see how DeepSeek AI measures up against some of the biggest names in the industry. We're talking OpenAI, Meta, Google, Anthropic, the heavy hitters. Now, the AI game is constantly evolving, and it seems like every other week a new player is stepping onto the court. DeepSeek AI has been making some noise recently, and we're going to break down its key features, compare it to the established giants, and see if it truly lives up to the hype. So if you're ready to explore the exciting world of AI and see how this new contender stacks up, grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's get started. DeepSeek AI is this really interesting new platform that's kind of coming out of nowhere. And one of the things that really sets it apart is its focus on something called contextual understanding, basically allowing the AI to really grasp the nuances of human language and intent. And this is really important, right? Because a lot of AI systems, they kind of miss the finer points of what we're trying to say. But with DeepSeek, you're getting an AI that's not just processing words, it's actually understanding the meaning behind them. The other thing about DeepSeek that caught my eye is its emphasis on customizability. They've designed this platform with developers in mind, so you can actually fine-tune the AI models to fit your specific needs. Now let's talk about the 800-pound gorilla in the room. OpenAI, they've got GPT, which is basically the gold standard for AI language models right now. So how does DeepSeek compare? Well, on the one hand, you have OpenAI's massive data set and these incredibly powerful models like GPT-3 and GPT-4. These things can generate some seriously impressive text, and they're really versatile. But DeepSeek is really interesting because it takes a slightly different approach. They're not just trying to throw a ton of data at the problem. They're focusing on building AI that's more intuitive, more adaptable, and that can handle these complex, nuanced requests. Now, we can't talk about AI without mentioning Meta, right? They're pouring tons of resources into AI research, especially in areas like computer vision and natural language processing that power a lot of their platforms. Meta's AI is all about connecting people, whether it's through their social media platforms or their vision for the metaverse. And they've made some real strides in this area, especially with their work on things like real-time translation and virtual reality experiences. So where does DeepSeek fit into all of this? Well, DeepSeek's focus on personalization and contextual understanding could be really valuable in the metaverse. Imagine AI that can not only understand what you say, but also interpret your emotions and intentions in a virtual environment. That's the kind of potential DeepSeek brings to the table. Okay, let's be real. Google is like the Empire State Building of AI. They've got their fingers in everything from search algorithms to self-driving cars. And their AI research is just next-level stuff. You've got Google Assistant, which is becoming more and more intelligent every day. You've got Google Translate, which can now translate languages in real time with incredible accuracy. Google's AI is everywhere. So can DeepSeek really compete with a behemoth like Google? Well, DeepSeek's advantage might lie in its agility. As a smaller company, they can be more nimble and responsive to changes in the AI landscape, potentially carving out a niche for themselves in specialized areas. Now, all this talk about AI's capabilities is exciting, but we also have to address the elephant in the room ethics. That's where a company like Anthropic comes in. They're laser-focused on building AI that's not just powerful, but also safe and aligned with human values. Anthropic is really pushing the boundaries of what we consider responsible AI development. They're thinking deeply about things like bias mitigation, transparency, and making sure AI is used for good. And this is something that DeepSeek is also thinking about. They're committed to building AI that's ethical and unbiased, and they've taken steps to ensure their technology is used responsibly. That's it for today's comparison. Let us know in the comments which AI you think is leading the charge. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. DeepSeek AI is definitely an exciting new player in the world of AI. They're bringing some fresh ideas to the table, and it'll be interesting to see how they continue to develop and evolve their technology in the years to come. The AI landscape is constantly shifting, and it's anyone's game right now. One thing's for sure, things are about to get very interesting.